For tackling the multiple crises of our times, such as the climate crisis or the biodiversity crisis, it is beyond doubt that knowledge is important for policymaking. But how should knowledge and policy be institutionally brought together for solving today's complex challenges? To answer this question, so-called science policy interfaces, SPIs, are pivotal. SPIs are institutions connecting science and policy by providing a platform for the exchange between policymakers and knowledge holders. A prominent example of a science policy interface on the global level is the Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change, IPCC. SPIs are contributing to sustainability outcomes because the knowledge is co-produced by both scientists and policymakers. By involving different types of knowledges and perspectives, SPIs have a powerful impact on policymaking. And because power in democracies needs to be legitimate, I argue in my PhD that SPIs require legitimacy. But what is legitimacy in the context of SPIs, and how legitimate are these SPIs in the urban climate resilient context? My PhD project addresses these questions with the following 3 research objectives. First, I synthesize the existing literature on SPIs. Second, I create a conceptual framework to theoretically develop an understanding of SPI legitimacy. And third, I'm empirically applying this framework to SPIs in the urban climate resilient context in the 4 study locations of the One Health Graduate School, namely Ahmedabad in India, Accra in Ghana, Sao Paulo in Brazil, and the Rhine-Ruhr metropolis in Germany. With this, my PhD does not only close a scholarly knowledge gap, but is expected to contribute to increasing the legitimacy of the SPIs analyzed and beyond.